ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूप कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकम्। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे। हरे कृष्ण हरि बोल। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णवेष्टाय भूतले श्रीमती भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी नीति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वते देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे। हरे कृष्ण। श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। हरे कृष्ण। I think I have taken a bit long to for this lecture. I have done some studies, took out some points. We have tried to understand why we are facing problems in life. We think that the problems which we are facing, that is because of something else. One person, one of your friends got a promotion in the same office, but you didn't get. You think that your boss is doing, he's not doing good. He is giving the promotion to your friend, but he has not given promotion to you. Your boss has done partiality. That is why he got the promotion. But that is not the actual reason. The actual reason is the deeds which you do is the positive or the negative energy. Good deeds or bad deeds. Good deeds give positive effect, bad deeds give negative effect. Our soul, so to start with and to begin with, is having or contains what it contains. It contains good deeds and bad deeds, which is what entire life we face it. We face this life after life, and our soul is contaminated. So what our soul contains? Why we are facing problems? Many times you have tried to give a nice interview, but when you come home, you just think, yeah, I have given this nice interview, I have answered all the questions, very intelligently I have faced this interview, but still I didn't got the job. You blame your fate. And what is fate? Yeah, the fate is your deeds, your past good deeds and bad deeds. Sometimes many people say in Hindi, कुछ पाप किए होगे तभी तो नहीं मिल रहा है. You understand this point, but you never thought of a solution for this point. पुराने जन्म में कुछ किया होगा इसलिए भुगत रहा है. We understand this point, but we never try to find out a better solution for this point. If somebody buys a car, we understand this point. पुराने जन्म में कुछ अच्छे कर्म किए होंगे इसलिए उसने कार लिया. हमारे अच्छे कर्म नहीं है, इसलिए हम कार नहीं ले सकते. वी अंडरस्टैंड दिस पॉइंट. Many people understand these points. Many people knows the anybody is facing good is because of good deeds in previous births or in this birth, or because of bad deeds in previous birth or this birth. So what our soul contains is the good deeds and bad deeds. And as I am saying, I have explained it to you, you have to face this life after life. Basically the main point is you are facing lives, lives, life after life, one life, two life, three life, four life. You are getting many bodies, life after life. First life you are getting maybe a body of human being, today what you are having. The next life you may have a body of a cat. The third life you may have body of a dog. The fourth life you may have a body of a pig, a fish, animal, bird, reptiles, insects. Particularly you are facing this for 84 lakh types of bodies. Your soul is according to good deeds and bad deeds get a particular body of 84 lakh types. So 84 lakh times you are facing birth and death, a cycle of repeated birth and death. That is the effect of good deeds and bad deeds. We do bad deeds so easily. If you are hurting someone, we hurt it very easily. That has become a normal trend now. Yeah, you can speak something or you can humiliate by hurting words to a person. Even a college friends. A college friend laughs on another friend because of some negative point in him. And the friend goes home. He cries, commits suicide. So we don't know what bad deed we are doing. So please understand, the bad deeds which you are doing is not only affecting you in this birth, it is affecting you birth after birth. One student has got 20 marks out of 100. He failed in SSC. This might be a real story, but I am thinking of just an example. I don't know the correct figure and all that. But you have seen this as many stories. This has many real stories, facts. He becomes so down, he loses all his confidence in life. And what he does is, he goes in so much of grief, so much of sorrow. He goes on the terrace of the building and jumps down. Because even for a student, even a small child, I have heard a story that a small child took out a knife for his parents or some other way because he was not given his mobile to him. Why this is happening? Why there is lot of crime, or why there is lot of suffering, why there is lot of sorrow? I told you, as my soul is same as your soul, you are my dear brothers and sisters. That is why I am telling you or helping you. This suffering is because we don't understand the main cause. What is the main cause? Again I will repeat. Soul is having or contains good deeds and bad deeds, which is what entire life we face it. Not only this entire life, but life after life. 84 lakh species. We are getting the body of 84 lakh species because of these bad deeds. Now let us understand what good deeds do in one example, so I can take another example or another point. A person has did so many bad deeds. He gets the body of a dog. But that person might have done some good deed. The master of that dog is rich. He gives the dog good food to eat. He takes the dog outside for wandering or for shopping in a Mercedes. I have seen myself, sometimes I am standing in a bus stop for a bus, but I have seen that a dog traveling in a car. High cost car. The dog has done some good deeds in his previous birth. Now he has got a good master. Sometimes good deeds give this effect, but bad deeds may put you in the body of a dog. You may get the body of a cat, but many people have a pet cat. This is how the effect of good deeds and bad deeds. Now, the second point. Our mind. Mind means man. Cannot avoid or deviate from attraction of bodily comforts such as enjoyment, lust, or even disease. We cannot deviate our mind in simple words. We cannot go away from, we cannot take our mind away from enjoyment. We cannot take our mind away from lust. If you try or say, okay, I am controlling my mind, but then some disease catches you. Now your whole mind is busy curing that disease. These good effects and bad effects keeps you busy. The effects of good deed and the effects of bad deed keeps you busy. And then you think of doing more bad deed. You may have seen some movies, and that might be a even true story, that a person is not having any money to hospitalize his mother for a treatment. So what he does? He goes to a rich person's house, thefts something, and then tries to hospitalize his mother, tries to give a better treatment to his mother, and tries to save his mother's life. A bad deed can tend to produce more bad deed. Bad deed is so nonsense. A bad deed attracts more bad deeds. बुरे कर्मों का नतीजा यही खराब होता है कि वो और बुरे करने को उत्तेजित करता है. It excites you more to do more bad deeds. It induces you to do more bad deeds. Because bad deeds capture your mind. When bad deeds capture your mind, you go to some pandit to show your kundali, and then he says that Lord Shani, God Shani, Shanidev, God Shanidev, you are in the clutches of God Shanidev, and you are having Sadesati. That is why you are facing the problem. So you blame God, you blame Lord Shanidev. You try to pacify Shanidev by doing some rituals. But again, you are trying to pacify Shanidev by doing some rituals for the instance of a problem. And that instance definitely will go away if you are doing it very nicely, with full concentration. By heart, if you are doing, that particular instance of the problem may go away. But the word problem is still there. You will get another problem. Because of the bad deeds. The effect of your deed, a bad deed is a deed, but the effect can be thousands of problems. A bad deed is just a bad deed, but its effect can be thousands of problems to you. It may induce your mind to do more bad deed. It may induce your mind to enjoy a mobile, and for enjoying a mobile, you will do theft. What you will do is, you will take a knife, put it on someone's neck, try to snatch his money, try to snatch the money from ATM, try to snatch the mobiles from mobile shop, and try to enjoy. That is the effect of bad deeds. Third point, the entire body senses, taste, seeing, hearing, smelling, etc., mind, intelligence for working, etc., all takes and requires energy from the soul. So the energy or the power of the soul is day by day deteriorating, decreasing, going down, which may be eligible to get a body in more nonsense bad world and body of animal like a cat or a dog or even an ant, which may live for an hour or two living in a bad place. That I think I have explained to you in about 2 points. Whatever energy you are using it from your soul. See, we are understanding why to take care of the soul. We have seen the soul is contaminated. The good deeds and bad deeds. Mind is contaminated. Because we are always looking for comforts and enjoyment. And these contaminations of the soul, because of which mind is contaminated, when mind is contaminated, you do more bad deeds, and when you do more bad deeds, again it goes in the soul, and again the soul gets contaminated. This cycle goes on. That is why there is the cycle of birth and death. Your soul faces the cycle of birth and death because of your good deeds and bad deeds. And it gives you the body according to your deeds. The soul gets the body according to your deeds. The soul gets the world according to your deeds. You are facing the problem because of the contamination of the mind and the soul. You are facing the problems because of the soul which is contaminated, and thereby it contaminates the mind. It contaminates the intelligence. A murderer will never think that instead of killing that person, if I go and bow to that person, bow to that person, touch his feet of that person and try to convince him. No, he will never think of that. Because the effect of the bad deed is so much that it will think, no, why instead of going, if I kill him, my things will be done. So doing good deeds and bad deeds may not be so good. Doing good deeds also may not be so good. That also I have explained. Doing then what you will do? That is what I am saying. Then do you sit idle? You will do something. Either you will do a good deed or you will do a bad deed, which will make your soul contaminated, giving you a wrong body, a bad body, and at a bad place, in a bad world. So please, my friends, stop thinking about enjoyment, stop thinking about comforts, stop thinking about the body, stop thinking about the relatives of the body, stop thinking about any other thing, but think about the soul. Your hair which you are having in your head, I was having very good hair. I used to make style of my hair when I was in college days. Some people make a style of Shah Rukh Khan, some people make a style of Amitabh Bachchan. Good deeds, you are having hair. But what you did about your hair? You played with your hair. When bad deeds come, when bad deeds say, you have enjoyed a lot with your hair. Now it is my turn. And then we blame Bichara Shani Dev. Lord Shani Dev does the same thing. He gives you the effect of bad deeds. What is the use of pacifying him? He is just a policeman. He is just a court judge. Whatever deeds you have done, you have to face it. If you go and touch feet of your judge, court judge, and tell him, please relieve me, please release me, please don't put me behind bars. I have done 7 murders, but henceforth I will not do. Go to a judge and touch his feet. Will he agree? Will he agree to release you? No. He will say, you have done a crime, you have to go to jail. Bad deed, effect of the bad deed. Then why to go to God? Okay, you go to Devi Devatas. I may agree. You can go to Devi Devatas. But that will only pacify you. If someone of your very close relative, blood relative, has died, what people do? A person A, his blood relative has died, and A is crying so much. What other people do? They just try to pacify. They cannot bring his mother alive. They cannot bring the mother alive. But they will try to pacify you. Okay, this is God did. Everything has been decided by the God. Why you are crying? It will try to pacify your grief. But it is not an insurance of your bad deed. Doing the puja of Devi Devatas is not a license for doing bad deed. Mind it. Many people do 2-hour puja. Very nice. There should be some concentration to the supreme power, or to the higher power, or to the advanced power. All Devi Devatas are advanced in their power. their soul power is in advanced stage. The good deeds with them are in advanced stage. They have done a lot of good deeds. So they are elevated in the heavenly planets. If you are doing puja for that, oh, I do 2 hour puja, and you are telling me that I am facing problems. No, I will never face problems. But still, are you not in a human body which is given to you to face problems? A needle, small needle, if it pricks you, blood starts coming. Forget about a knife and many other things. A small needle, a blade, a small blade, if it you cut, it gets cut. By mistake, I have my hand touched my friend's hand, and my nail was a thoda bada, a bit big. It scratched his body, and a tip of blood dripped just because of my nail. You have been given the body to suffer. So you should find some solution which will increase the power of soul. Which you have to find some solution which will increase the power of energy of your soul. How your soul's energy will increase? Soul is actually having lot of energy. It is having so much of energy, whatever you wish will be fulfilled instantly. Forget about doing any crime. But you did not do any effort also. You have to take so many efforts. I appreciate those efforts. Any activity which is done for a good cause is really appreciable. But is that the ultimate solution? But if you remove the contamination of your soul, all your wishes will come true. If you remove the contamination of your mind, then you will be able to remove the contamination of the soul. Contamination means, in other words, getting dirty, if somebody is finding difficult these words. There are another 2 points which I want to take it today. Material world. What is meant by material world? A world where the body is made up of matter. So when the soul leaves the body dies. The body is made up of solid, liquid, gases and perishable. The body is perishable. It dies life very less and is having a very less life. The life of the body is very less. It goes on deteriorating. In the next lecture, I may give you life of some Devi Devatas, how much they live. They are in advanced stage of their souls. Their soul is very advanced. They are definitely powerful to relieve you from the instance of the problems. Definitely you can go to them. Definitely you should respect them. Definitely you might do the puja also to them. No problem. But then is that the ultimate solution? And then you will have a new life. If you have a human life of if your soul has a human life, you can go again to Devi Devatas. But if the bad effects increase and you go to an animal life, then what you are going to do? Animal lives, forget about deeds. Only effect of bad deeds. Animal life is only for bearing the effect of bad deeds. Anybody comes and hits a dog. Anybody comes and kicks a cat. There are rules for dogs and animals, dogs and cats. Okay, I know there are laws. What about the ants? You small insects, get a toilet cleaner and it shows that all insects die when you put this toilet cleaner. What about that body? More degraded body. Your soul does more nonsense, it does more bad deeds, it gets more degraded body. Do more bad deeds, do get more degraded body. Everything is perfectly managed. This is my body is made up of material world. I wanted you to understand this term also about what is material world. This is called as material world. Now what is Maya? You must have heard, Sab Moh Maya hai. Do you understand what is Maya? I will tell you what is Maya. Illusion. To feel that is not, we feel it is. This is Maya. We think something has happened in this way because of this. That is what is our illusion. Nothing has happened because of a matter. A stone is not responsible for hitting another stone. No, it doesn't have energy. All our body is matter. Another person hitting me, no, he is also a matter, I am also a matter. Then I get hurt. He hits, I get hurt. He is also a matter, I am also a matter. The soul induces him to hit. The soul induces him to hit. My soul's bad deed provokes him to hit me. I am the soul. So now I will say, my bad deeds provoke him to hit me. Sometimes you must have seen many programs. Oh, this hero, he has got a nice aura. He has got a nice energy. He has got nice vibes. When people come in contact with that particular person, he is so nice. A bit more good deeds. He is having that aura. A-U-R-A, aura. Vibes. The rays affecting from your body. Your body emanates some rays. Your mind emanates some rays. Don't try this at your home, but just I am giving an example. Please don't try this. This is just only for example. From very far away, not much, but a limited, from a limited far away, if you keep looking to a lady gets a vibe. I am talking about mental vibes. She stares, again looks at you. Okay, this man is looking at me, staring at me. That is very bad. You should not do that. But I am telling you how mental context vibes. So there is energy. Everywhere there is energy. But we are thinking about matter. We will talk about another point. When we die, we don't exist. It's illusion. Means when Vinayak Badve dies, now Vinayak Badve is not existing. It's an illusion. The soul never dies. It takes life after life. It goes in another body. You have another life. Again the second person, second me dies. Then my soul will go in the third body. Again the third person is alive. After some time, after showing them repenting for some good deeds and bad deeds, after facing effects of good deeds and bad deeds, I am getting a fourth life. Such on. So this is an illusion. When we die, we don't exist. It's an illusion. Soul is Sanatan, it's permanent. It never dies. Third point. The soul is not material. It's spiritual. The soul is not material. It's spiritual. What is that spirit? Spirit is spark. It is a spark. It is a minutest, very, 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 how much very? Very minute spark of that big energy. It is the smallest particle of that big energy. Tip 1 million part of tip of your hair is your soul. 1 million part of the tip of your hair is your soul. Is your soul. So, do you want to have some extra energy from outside? Yes. From where will you get that energy? Now, the comes most important part is the one-time solution for this. In my society, there was for frequently water problem. I have gone to the meeting in the society, and I just asked them, see, you are giving me problems, plumbernia and all that. Please have some one-time solution. Change the pipe instead of getting it repaired. The society agreed. They changed the pipe. Now there is no leakage. You should have some one-time solution. Now I say, okay, we are intelligent people. We can have a one-time solution for this. And this is possible only in this human body and no other body. And believe me, this is the last body in this life. Last elevated body in the elevation cycle of a life. Last advanced body is which is having there are serial number of advanced bodies. This is the last in the serial number, last in the count that we are having a human body. If you do more bad deeds in this human body, you will go to animal's body, bird's body, where you will never cannot think. You cannot. It's not about never. It's cannot. You cannot think about the soul. Enjoy. Becoming a dog, ahar, nidra, bhay, maithun. Keep on enjoying. Becoming an animal, ahar, nidra, bhay, maithun. Keep on enjoying. Being a bird, ahar, nidra, bhay, maithun. Keep enjoying. Being a snake, ahar, nidra, bhay, maithun. Keep enjoying. Keep on enjoying body after body. Keep suffering. Keep yourself in grief. It is in your hands. How to come out of it? I am there to help you. We have to find someone who can cleanse our soul, who can cleanse our heart, who can cleanse our mind. There should be one super person who is having a super energy. If that particular personality or that particular entity is having a super energy, it means having everything with him, super. His potential should be very high. Then only I can go to him. If I want to change a particular law in the law book, I want to change a particular section, I can't just go to a court clerk and ask him to change. I have to go in the parliament. Sorry. So I have to find a source, I have to find a super soul, or I have to find a entity, I have to find a super soul who is having all the powers. I even can't go to a manager. If I want to change the company's policy, I am in a company. I can't go to the manager and speak in the company to change, please change this policy is wrong. Try doing that. The manager will say, it is not in my hands, it is not in my capacity. You have to go to the board of directors. Board of directors, you should first plead them. Please allow me to come in the meeting. Then put your point in front of board of directors. And then you might change the policy. What you are facing is the policy of good effects of good deeds and bad deeds. You have to change your policy. You have to find the highest authority. If you have to change the policy, you have to find the highest entity, the topmost boss, the topmost energy, the topmost power. Who is the topmost soul? Who is the topmost power? Who is the topmost authority? That is the super soul. Who is the super soul? Not only advanced. Advanced means yes, he has to make more advancement. Fourth advanced, fifth advanced, fourth advanced, third advanced, second advanced, first advanced, even still he is advanced. I want a highly superpower. If we get contact in that superpower, to that superpower, our cleanliness of soul, our cleanliness of heart, our cleanliness of mind, heart means abstract heart, dil, we say in Hindi, everything will get cleaned. And when that gets cleaned, the spark inside you of the which is the soul will start shining. It will start so much of shining that you will be relieved from all the sufferings. You will be relieved from all the problems in your life. So my dear friends, don't just think only for an instance of a problem. For instance of the effect of a bad deed. The effect of bad deed is not only one effect. A bad deed is a single bad deed, but the effects may be 1,000. And you can't run for pillar and post for 1,000 instances of the problem. You don't do that. And that is what we are doing in the entire life. Please friends, try to understand this point. This is not about a deed. D-E-E-D-S, deeds. Don't run in your life helter and skelter for solving your instances of the problems. Instances are many, cause is one. Let's try it out. We have to find out some knowledge. We have to learn some knowledge. We have to be informed about something or some entity. So we have to go after spiritual books and try to find out that. I want to try to find out who is the topmost energy holder, topmost authority, who is having the capacity to do all that is required in my life. All that is required in my soul. So henceforth, I am not going to tell you without referring to any book, because I have tried the same thing. I have run helter and skelter because of problems. But because I have got a human body and because of some good deeds, I have got an ultimate solution which I want to share with you. I want to share with you which is an ultimate solution for your soul and thereby the mind and thereby the cycle of birth and death. Birth, death, disease and old age. Janma, Mrityu, Jara, Vyadhi. Sanskrit words. Janma, Mrityu, Jara, Vyadhi. Birth, death, Jara, old age and disease. Janma, birth, Mrityu, death, Jara, old age and Vyadhi is sufferings. Diseases, sufferings. Not only diseases, it's suffering. Your soul has got a bhavarog of this, which you are going to face life after life. Only in the human body, only in the age of Kali. It's very simple. It's very simple. I am giving just a mobile number of that person, of that greater soul. Keep contacting him and you are getting cleansed. He may not answer you. Forget about him answering and convincing him. You just keep contacting him. But whom? I will tell you everything. To whom? Now we will try. I have read scriptures and scriptures to find out this. The creator of this universe, I have contacted that directly. The creator of this universe, I have formed a book which has introduced me by the creator of this universe, that is Lord Brahma. Lord Brahma has given some solutions. He has given the introduction of that entity who is the ultimate authority. We will try to read from that book, then you will understand. Now it is not from me, it is from this. And this is called, actually reads upside down, okay, because I am in the selfie mode. It is called as Brahma Sahita. I am just showing you this book so that you can understand whatever I am doing, I am reading. It's not of my own speculation, it is not of my own understanding, nothing of my views, nothing of me. Everything is of this Brahmadev. I am in a very nascent stage, very small, minute human. But Brahmadev is in advanced stage. Advanced soul. Highly elevated soul. So he is having more knowledge. I am so minute. People are doing MBA. People are becoming MBBS. They can save lives of human. If a human being can do this, what Brahmadev can do this? Some people are having 4, 5 degrees. But Brahmadev can have knowledge. Brahmadev is the creator of this universe. Let's try to learn from him what he says. As this is selfie mode, you may not be able to read, but this is the first sloka which we are going to learn. Whenever a God says, he says from the medium of shloka. And the verses means 2-line shloka. They are called verses. And these verses has been given in Brahma Sahita. Lord Brahma says, Ishvara Paramaha Krishna Satchidananda Vigraha Anadiradir Govinda Sarva Karana Karanam. I will recite it for you again. Ishvara Paramaha Krishna Satchidananda Vigraha Anadiradir Govinda सर्व कारण कारणम. सब ऊपर से गया. या बिकॉज इट इज इन संस्कृत. I will give you the translation in English. What does Lord Brahma says? The translation is also written in this book. That I will read. It's nothing of my own now. Now I am finished. My job is, my mind has stopped working when I read this book. Because now I am completely dependent on what Lord Brahma says. I have to, advanced stage of soul, advanced intelligence, advanced knowledge, advanced spiritual knowledge. Why shouldn't I depend on this? Why you hesitate to depend on this? Let us read what is the meaning of that. Krishna, who is known as Govinda, is the supreme Godhead. You wanted something supreme? Here it is. He has an eternal, blissful, spiritual body. We have material body. He has an eternal, Sanatan, permanent. Eternal means something which is not going to vanish by time. It goes on. 1,000 million years back, 1,000 million years ahead, it will go on. Eternal, blissful, full of pleasure, full of happiness. His overall bliss, blissful, spiritual. He is not material. He is not made up of matter. Body. He is the original of all. Here it is written, I have not said, Ishvara Parama Krishna Satchidananda Vigraha. Adi. It is in meanings it is giving. Adi is the origin. Anadir, Adir Govinda. Adi means the origin. He is the origin of all. He has no other origin and he is the prime cause of all causes. He is the origin of all. And he has no other origin and he is the prime cause of all causes. Rest in the next lecture. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Thank you very much for listening to my video. I am very happy to share with you people the problems which I have faced. Any other person will, one of my friend may refer me to a doctor. Same way I am helping you. I am referring to a highest authority, highest spiritual entity. You go to that spiritual authority, go to that entity, spiritual entity, go to that supreme personality of Godhead. What is the adjective of Sri Krishna? Supreme personality of Godhead. And what happens? We do in next lecture. Thank you very much. Please share if you can.